Hi, everybody. Mark here. Going to go over one of the tools that I like to use. Hopefully, this will be a good tool for you to use when you're doing affiliate marketing and you've got, lots of links and lots of ad copy and lots of titles and banners and text ads and things you want to keep track of. I found that this method works pretty good for me. Maybe it'll work good for you. So what I have here is a Google Docs document, and you could use any word processing, program you want. You could use a spreadsheet even if you wanted to, but this works for me. So set it up the way you like. What I like to do is have a blank document here, and I come in and I make a header in it. I'm going to double click in that header area, and I'm going to put my primary email address in there. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And the reason I do that is because then this is going to appear at the top of every page that I have. And I can easily go up here and, whoops, I didn't need to do that. I can easily come up here and I can copy this, right click, copy, and put it anywhere that I need to very quickly. Okay, so the next step in this is we're going to create a space down here to use to track our ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a table, and we're going to come over here and we're going to make this table. Let's just make it 2 columns wide, and we'll go 6 columns down. This is going to be my title column, and this is going to be my content column. And I'm going to come to this middle part. I'm going to drag this over because my title's probably going to be a lot shorter than my content. Okay, so this is basic steps in creating this table. And let's say we want some more rows in here. We can come down here and tab, 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 and keep adding new rows. Or we could come in here and highlight a few of them, right click and say insert for rows above or below. And you can see we can increase our table. So this is the basic concept here for this, first video. It's going to be short. Next time we get together, I'm going to take you through the process of adding some information here and explaining a little bit more about how this all works. Thanks.